Hello and namaste, all of the friends. Today I will tell you how to format the laptop, PC or the computer using the bootable pen drive. Yeah, to make bootable pen drive, first you have to insert your pen drives on the PC or the laptop, and there should be a reference tool. Okay, you can download from the browser too. Then after you can select as I'm opening here reference tool which I have already downloaded. Then after I'm going to select the OS ISO file. You should have the ISO image file of the OS too. Then after okay, you can change GPT MBR from the partition scheme too. Okay, yes, I'm forwarding videos. It's done. Close it. Okay, now insert that bootable pen drive which you have to format. I have here Lenovo laptop and I'm going to format this laptop. Yeah, before format, if your laptop is on, then you have to turn off or shut down the laptop. I have made the Windows 10 GPT format bootable pen drive. And after I'm going to insert it. Yes, it's done. Now you have to start the computer. Start computer, and after press escape F2, F9, F2 will delete key to go to the BIOS according to your laptop. Okay. Yes, I am here on the BIOS mode. And to make bootable, you should go to the boot menu. Then after you have to select that. You have to select that bootable pen drive at the first. Okay. Then after F10, save and go. Okay, now it's working, and you have to do some important setup also there. Okay, you can do setup by watching manually this video. Okay guys, select Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, which is very good. Choose the drive there and load the Windows. I'm forwarding videos here. It may take 20 or 25 minutes to load the videos, but I'm here forwarding the videos. Yeah, it's getting ready. Okay, after loading that all file, the PC restart and it goes to getting ready mode. And after PC gives you some instructions and you have to follow that instructions and choose this language also. Keyboard layout. You can connect to the internet too. Okay. Now important setup too. Sit back and relax. Windows is saying us. Okay. The processing is going on. Again, restart the computer. It's going on. Processing. This might take several minutes. Okay. can set up for personal use or organization also. So I'm selecting here for organization. Next, just select the domain join state. You can keep a name of your name or your company name also there. Okay, then after next you can select their password also, then after accept, escape, accept. Okay, then after again accept. Yeah, they are saying hi. Yes. This might take several minutes. It's processing. Okay, you have to be patient and wait. Almost there. Yes, it is done. Successfully we loaded the Windows. Okay. Okay, all of the guys, thanks for watching. Keep supporting me. Just subscribe, share, comment. Okay. See you later.